I wanted to redefine sannyas. When you don't take responsibility for anything, you live as slave. When you take the responsibility for the money of the society, you become Vaishya. When you take the responsibility for weapon of the society, you become Kshatriya. When you take the responsibility for knowledge of the society, you become Brahmana. When you take responsibility for everything, you become sannyasi. Only when you take responsibility, life happens to your body. If you have any disease, take responsibility for it so that you can help heal, and then take care that you don't attract the disease again, back. And same way, if you have broken a relationship because of your irresponsibility, unconsciousness, now take the responsibility. Next time you don't do it. Life does not end by breaking one relationship. You don't need to be depressed, or you don't need to start being in that same space. When you take the responsibility, you can even patch up there with the relationship you broke. You can approach the person, rebuild the relationship. I did not wait for anything else to come. Listen, one of the biggest problem we have is, let me have the power first. Let me have the status first. Let me have the position first. Then I will take the responsibility. No! That does not happen in life. Take the responsibility, build a state inside you. Then after you being tested by the cosmos, it gives you the status. That status can never be taken away. Responsibility attracts more responsibility. The problem is we are afraid of more responsibility, so we deny even the responsibility we have in our hand. India needs at least 100,000 responsible sannyasis. That is what my mission is. I request all the satsangis, if you are young, still unmarried, I request you sincerely to consider the lifestyle of sannyas. Please listen, sannyas is not the lifestyle of depressed people or dropouts. O youth of India, you already tasted the lifestyle of running behind industrial revolution. O youth of India, you already tasted and wasted your life by running behind the IT revolution. Now, O youth of India, it is time for you to consider and revolutionize humanity, society, yourself and everything through the lifestyle of sannyas. Youth of India is the only hope for the future of the humanity, which is literally 1/10 of the human population. Listen, one among the 10 human beings in the world is youth of India. In any field, Indian youth puts their energy. They excel and achieve. By being the responsible sannyasi, you will do so much to the country, to yourself. I tell you, responsible sannyas is the symbol of patriotism of India. Responsible sannyasis are the symbol of patriotism in India. We need responsible sannyasis to teach India the spirituality and to teach the world spirituality. Enough we had and we have. Enough of celebrities, entertainers. We have enough of politicians. We have enough of people in every field. We only need responsible sannyasis. We only need one thing, responsible sannyasis. भारत को आज सबसे अधिक आवश्यकता है कम से कम 1 लाख सन्यासियों की। और मेरा और मेरी संस्था का उद्देश्य यही है। दुनिया में हर 10 व्यक्तियों में एक व्यक्ति भारत का युवा है। वो भारत के युवा जागो, भारत को पुनः बुलंद बनाए कि मेरी पुकार को सुनो, मेरे साथ और मेरे संस्था के साथ एकीकृत हो जाओ। सन्यास की जीवन शैली का प्रयोग करने की प्रयास करो। एक जिम्मेदार सन्यासी के रूप में आप देश की सबसे बड़ी सेवा कर सकते हैं। यही असली देशभक्ति है। भारत उसकी जिम्मेदार सन्यासियों द्वारा विश्व पर राज्य पुनः राज्य करेगी, कोई शस्त्र से नहीं। उसकी जिम्मेदार भारत उसकी जिम्मेदार सन्यासियों द्वारा विश्व पर पुनः राज्य करेगी, कोई शस्त्र से नहीं। It is enough, O youth of India, you are being given a wrong fantasy by the mediocre leaders of society. A wife and 2 kids and house and a car has been described as the ideal happy life. Enough. Get out of this conditioning fantasy. I tell you, the ideal for modern Indian youth is responsible sannyas.